Well, believe it or not, there were just 2 large earthquakes in Alaska in just the past hour. In fact, actually, in the last 30 minutes. This quake occurred at approximately 7:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and this one occurred at 7:53 and 14. These 2 quakes occurred only 2 seconds from each other. Almost looks like an underground nuclear test, if you ask me. Because these quakes are so simultaneously together. I bet these were man-made. And that looks like an aftershock that occurred approximately 19 minutes ago. There was a 5.0 and a 5.3, only 2 seconds from each other. Oh my god. It was a double quake. Maybe it was one big quake, I don't know. But it looks like it was 2 distinct quakes. There was just 2 large quakes that occurred within 2 seconds of each other. That is unbelievable. Look at this. This is so unbelievable. This is something that is almost unheard of. 2 earthquakes occurring literally within 2 seconds of each other with a distance of about, let's see, try to do the distance measurement here, about 10 miles from each other. This is very close. This could be definitely, this smells man-made all over the place. This is definitely non-volcanic. And I'm gonna read the seismo right now. I'm gonna go to let's see, here you go. This has a link right to the seismogram station there. Let's see, let's go to the Readabout station, because that's the closest one. There is the Readabout volcano, so maybe I'll get a signal from that. Cleveland. Let's see. Doesn't really register the quake. I believe this might be it. No, that was not it. It would register here. It was just 2 large quakes in Alaska, literally 2 seconds from each other. I'm thinking about calling the United States Geological Survey and asking them why were there 2 quakes within 2 seconds of each other. So I'm gonna pause this video. I'm gonna call the United States Geological Survey, ask them what is going on. This is really unusual.
Hello, you've reached the Alaska Earthquake Information Center. Please leave us a message. Thank you.
Record your message at the tone. When you are finished, hang up or press pound for more options.
Hi, I live in New York. I just visited the USGS website. I'm actually on it right now. There's a 5.3 and a 5.0 that occurred about 45, actually a little over half hour ago. Both quakes occurred literally 2 seconds apart from each other, according to the website, at 23:53-14 Universal Coordinated Time, UTC. Another one occurred 2 seconds later at 16 seconds after 7 minutes to the hour. One was at 8.0 kilometers, another one was at 3.2. Third quake, most likely an aftershock, 2.7 at 0 kilometers. I don't know why this is occurring, but it could be a natural event. It could be definitely because of permafrost melt. So this is just pretty unusual. I have never seen something like this before, especially in this part of Alaska. This looks very reminiscent to the North Slope quake that occurred a few months ago. That occurred in August. Well, thank you for everything and have a great day. Bye. Good evening. Have a good evening. So yep, I believe this is definitely probably a permafrost melt quake, because this area has a lot of permafrost and has been melting because of climate change, and this could be what is triggering the quakes, most likely. So permafrost is basically ground that is permanently frozen, and as temperature warms, permafrost thaws, becomes softer, and this softening of the ground can cause sinking, can cause shifts in the ground, and that pressure being released, and that could cause quakes. Maybe not fault, maybe along fault lines or even non-faultal quakes. And this shifting of the earth could actually be registered as earthquakes. Most likely there are some subterranean faults that probably haven't been activated in millions of years, because this is not a known earthquake region, neither is this. So maybe the changes is activating ancient fault lines that is causing these earthquakes. And that is why, Boston had a 6.7 here, in Gloucester area. You had almost a 7 magnitude quake that hit the Charleston area in 1886. But of course, this is probably more geological, while this is more, I believe, because of glacial events. This is more related to permafrost. There's even speculation that this could have been either a glacial quake or a permafrost type quake. I believe new aftershock as of 5 minutes ago. New aftershock as of 5 minutes ago now. 2.5 kilometers. Let's see if there's anything past a minute. Oh, another one. This one occurred about 28 minutes ago, or actually 18 minutes ago. This one occurred at a depth of 2.4 kilometers. I don't know if the 0 kilometers is very accurate, but just have two earthquakes within 2 seconds of each other. Very unusual, and they're very similar, very close to the same strength. Well, thank you for watching, and have a great day. Bye.